As a human, we all have unique personalities and characteristics. Those unique personalities and characteristics are the thing that make us different from each other as a human. It is so important to have personalities and characteristics to make society better for the future. So, today I want to talk about the importance of tolerance and compassion. These two things are the important things in personalities and characteristics that human must have. First is tolerance. What is tolerance? Tolerance is a willingness to accept belief and behavior that are different from our own, which we might not agree or we might not approve. We must have tolerance because it is very important thing to have in our life. In the world, there are many people with different race, ethnicities, and religions. And as a society, there must be people with different backgrounds from each other. With those differences, it can lead to conflict between the community with other community. So, what we can do to prevent the conflict between those communities? The answer is we must have tolerance to each other. Not just only one person must have tolerance, but all people from all the communities must have tolerance. If we can establish and maintain a tolerance for the difference of each other, we can respect them and they can respect us too. Then the peace and unity will be achieved. But what if we can establish and maintain tolerance? Then the people and the society of the world become chaotic and will be destroyed. Discrimination can be a big thing. The people that got discriminated will be impossible to live in peace and harmony. They will fear if they become a minority. These minorities can be excluded, mocked, and ridiculed for being who they are and based on what they believe. If that continuously happening, there will be wars and conflict everywhere. We don't want this thing can happening. They are also human like us. Why we need to discriminate against people? They just want to live in peace. They have the same right to live like us. It will be the sad thing to see people can tolerate each other. So that's why it is important for us to tolerate to each other in order to keep society from discrimination that can lead into a horrible war. But even if tolerance is very important, we must be wise about it. We must set our own limit to what we can tolerate, since it is also wrong to tolerate behaviors and beliefs that can be harm and only create negative effect on us and the society. We must know when we should give tolerance and when we should not give tolerance. The second is compassion. What is compassion? Compassion is a human emotion that emerges as a result of the suffering of the others. These feelings usually results in trying to relieve the suffering of the others. Compassion motivates people to go out of their way to help the physical, mental, or emotional pains of another and themselves. Compassion is often regarded as having sensitivity, which is an emotional aspect to suffering. Compassion is the noblest characteristic of a human beings. This characteristic can make us to thinking and caring more about other people to help their suffering rather than focusing more on ourselves. Compassion will help us to refuse to be selfish, become a more forgiving person, and accept people no matter who they are and what they are. Compassion can develop us to get ability to understand more the feeling and the situation of the other people, and also make us want to take action to improve their life. Compassion is the thing that allows us to break free from the focuses of ourselves and see more the situation of people who might need our help. Compassion inspires us to make an immediate and effective effect to come to the assistance of those who are dealing with the challenge. Compassion is the most powerful force in the world. It can defeat indifference, intolerance, and injustice. It is able to replace judgment with acceptance because it makes no distinction no matter what their age, ethnicity, gender, or disability. It freely embraces the rich diversity of humanity by treating everyone as equals. It benefits both those who receive it and those who share it. Every person on earth deserves it, and every human being deserves it. Compassion can make the world to become more caring place. Compassion is particularly important to those who are vulnerable, for people who are depend on the other's help and support. Compassion is often the most important factor in allowing them to lead fulfilling life. Therefore, we have a moral imperative to treat them as equals and ensure that they enjoy the same right as the other members of the society. They should never be marginalized or subjected to isolation. For those individuals, compassion provides respect while preserving their dignity. Now, I have told you about the importance of tolerance and compassion. These two things are the important personality and the characteristic that human must have. If we can wisely tolerate and compassioning with other people, no matter what they are and where they are, we can make the world that can be a place where the human can live in peace and harmony. But if we can use it wisely, the world can be a chaotic place and people cannot live freely. My name is Sidon Ronald Del Piero. Thank you for listening.